Guru Nation, thank you for watching. So I got a text, I believe it was a text or an email question from someone. So anyone can do that, by the way, 949-415-6256. Or you can email me, dan@theclinicaltrialsguru.com, or you can go follow me on your favorite social network. There's a good chance I'm on it. So today's question, video, comes from a question I got about a follow-up letter that a site received. So, first of all, what is a follow-up letter? Well, for those in the CRA Academy, you will know that after a monitoring report, the monitor, the CRA, writes and sends a follow-up letter, usually via email, to the investigator. And most sites, if you're like most sites, you just file it, you print the letter, you file it, you don't really look at it. You'll look at the action items maybe on the letter, but sometimes they're important. And they're important because sometimes monitors can make mistakes. So this question that I received was, hey, we just had a site selection visit. We told the monitor that we can enroll 8 patients. When we received the follow-up letter, we were awarded the study, but when we received the follow-up letter, we noticed the monitor put that we would enroll 12 patients. And we actually don't think we can enroll 12 patients. We told them 8. And so they're worried about whether they're going to lose the study or not if they tell somebody that it's a mistake. They actually said they're going to enroll 8. My suggestion in this case, again, there's many ways you can handle this. I want to make sure that I get the study. Your concerns are a little valid. I mean, if they're expecting 12, you said 8, you may not want to risk getting this study. Or losing the study. So what I would do, what I told them to do is wait until the site initiation visit and then bring it up with that monitor because it's most likely going to be a different monitor that does your SIV and your interim monitoring visits than the monitor that came for the site selection visit. Usually the monitors that come out for the site selection visits only do site selection visits. Again, it could be different at different companies, but for the most part that's the way I've experienced it. So if you want to really make sure you don't lose the study, bring it up at your SIV because there's a good chance you're not going to lose it by then. Okay, there's a small chance you might lose it if you tell them you actually said 8 and the CRA said 12. Now, did the CRA make an honest mistake? Did the CRA put a number that they thought the sponsor would want to see in order for you to get the study? I don't know. That's speculation. But to be safe, bring it up at the SIV. But follow-up letters are important, okay? When you have an interim monitoring visit, they're also important. When you have an SIV, they're important, mostly for the follow-up action items. That's the most important part of the follow-up letter. So look carefully through those action items and make sure that there's no mistakes. CRAs are human beings. They can make mistakes. Make sure that all those action items are indeed issues that you need to resolve at your site. If there's any that you've finished, okay, you should reach out to your CRA and let them know, hey, this is actually not an action item. This is not a follow-up action item. This is incorrect, or we've already completed this, or whatever the case may be. Follow-up letters are also important because you don't want action items to continue to be ongoing after every monitoring visit. So if you have the same action item ongoing for like 3 monitoring visits in a row, it shows that you're not really paying attention to the study like you should, and it doesn't look good if you ever get audited. So pay attention to the follow-up letters. They could make mistakes. CRAs are humans. They could impact you, your operations as a research site, and they can also help you stay on track with your study. So take care, Guru Nation. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.